Right guys, well, today I went out and bought some liquid gold. Ooh, shit. You can't see that yet. Don't fall over. But, got my 2-stroke bottle, got my redneck mixing bottle, which is an old 2-stroke bottle, but it does the job perfect. I've put some juice in this. Well, seriously, that stuff really is liquid gold. It's precious stuff. I spilt nearly half a can a couple of days ago. Well, at least half one of them a couple of days ago. Could I run this for all of 20 minutes? This thing's a thirsty engine and I need to tune it in again. I just rebuilt the carb, and when I took the needle out, I put it in rough. I don't know what it's set at the moment. So, my tripod's around. Don't know what it is. Shelf pod, that might work. Yeah, that's to do. Choke it. Kill doesn't matter because it's not connected yet. Kill's on. Oh crap, I'll probably just flood it, I can guarantee you that now. That had to be with no choke because I did a full throttle with choke and that little needle thing's in so bad. Well, it's not far enough in. It draws so much fuel in, it floods it. Come on! Still cold. It'll still be cold, honestly. Maybe I'll take the air filter out, that might have something to do with it. Right next, a piece of foam in it to get it to go. Right. So let's see if that helps. That's what the problem was. A little piece of foam. Right. Put that away. Good enough for now. Oh fuck, smoky in here. I don't think I've got any air left. Right, I'm gonna go and pass out now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.